We are on the way to buy my new automobile. Let's get it. Welcome to my world. We've been driving for like 4 hours. A long time. But yeah, we are on our way to get my new car. My second car. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but if you click on this video, you probably already know what it is. We just stopped, got our coffees, because last night we went camping at Somerset Dam, and let's just say I have a bit more than a mild headache right now. We're on our way. So, I'll see you very soon with my new car.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow.
How's it going, guys? So this is my brand new, not brand new, my new 1996 Mazda MX-5 NA8. So let me show you around this bad boy. So decided to get another MX-5. I know, I'm a bit of a weirdo, but we got another one. Alrighty, so surprise, surprise, I bought another MX-5. So this is my third MX-5 that I have owned. I've never had an NA, so I've only ever had NB, so I had an NB8A. I've got my NB8B, which is the blue one you guys all know, and now I have an NA8. I was looking around for NAs for ages. I had a look at a couple NA6s, but like, I don't know, I just wasn't fussed on them. They're all pretty crappy, so I got an absolutely awesome deal with this one. So this is a one owner car. That owner is currently 80 years old, so she has had it since 1996. And yeah, she's garaged it the entire life, so that's awesome. It is literally so clean. It's hella, it's so good. Oh my god. Look at those pop-up headlights. God damn. But it's relatively clean. Yeah, it's relatively clean. So it's the NA8, 1996 NA8 being the 1.8 litre motor, which I really prefer over the 1.6s. It's only got, I can see, it's got 193,042 kilometers on it. That's pretty good for a car this old. I mean, I had a look at a bunch of NA6s that had well over 270, 280,000 K. So to get one for 190, I'm pretty cheering. I'm not too fussed on the color, like the silver. It's all right, but I mean, I think we might do something absolutely hectic with it. I'm hella excited, but I got this for a really, really good price, guys. I'm not gonna tell you how much, but yeah, I kind of lucked out on this one. I actually bought the car and made an offer without seeing the car. So yeah, I literally had not seen the car before I rocked up with cash in my hand to buy it. So it does have quite a few of the like maintenance things that you would think, like the maintenance issues that, you know, 80-year-olds aren't gonna fix. Like this is ripped. Like what else? The freaking window regs are like about to die. Like the windows go up and down so slowly. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Unfortunately, the dash is cracked. Rip. But it's got a brand new windscreen. The soft top's not too bad. The window is absolutely horrible, so we'll probably get a hard top or a new roof. But anyway, the whole point of this car was to, one, have an NA. Two, I bought this car because it does have a lot of things that need doing, and I've been planning to do a little YouTube series on it. I know I've never had an NA, so this is a completely new experience for me. And yeah, so we're pretty much going to be rebuilding this whole car in short. So we're going to be pulling the motor, rebuilding it, replacing pretty much every gasket, every seal on it. So I'm going to replace the shifter, the bushings, the suspension, the wheels, the boots, the dash. Like I'll be replacing the steering wheel, the roof, the seats, the everything. So I want you to follow me as I go through and pretty much restore this car into a retro classic JDM AF MX5. Oh my god, how good are pop-up headlights though. Like, straight up. I have never had an NA, only ever had NBs. So when I click the little magical button right here, and they pop up, oh man, I'm cheering. If you guys want to learn about tearing these cars down and then building them back up, make sure you hit subscribe, like that stuff. Make sure you follow me along for the journey. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers for watching, bye.